the land of Shire lives a brave little hobbit whom we all admire. With long wooden pipe, fuzzy woolly toes, he lives in a hobbit hole and everybody knows him. Bilbo, Bilbo Baggins, Bilbo, Bilbo Baggins, bravest little hobbit of them all. Hobbits are peace-loving folks, you know. They're never in a hurry and they take things slow. They don't like to travel away from home. They just like to eat and be left alone. But one day Bilbo was asked to go on a big adventure to the caves below to help some dwarves get back their gold that was stolen by a dragon in the days of old. Bilbo, Bilbo Baggins, long his leafy tall. Bilbo, Bilbo Baggins, bravest little hobbit of them all. Well, he fought with the goblins. He battled the troll. He riddled with Gollum. A magic ring